Hello, I just wanted to show you 5 strategies that Pam Harris uses from mathisfigureoutable.com. Let's say we're solving 48 plus 29. We can start at the 48 and then we could go up by a friendly number, which might be 20, and that would give you 68. And then you can go up by another friendly number, which might be 9, might not be, but might be, and that would give you 77. The next one would be get to a friendly number. So you start at 48 and your friendly number might be 50, might not, but it might be. And that would be the plus 2, and then you have the full 27 more to do, and you can do that however you want, and that would get you to 77. And she calls that get to a friendly number. The third one she has is called over. So you're going to go up by a number that's over because it's friendly, which might be 30, and that would get you to 78, but then you have to reverse and go back 1, and that would get you to 77, and she calls that, I think, go up by a friendly number but over and over or something. And then the other strategies are just kind of one she doesn't model on a number line, but they're just split strategies where you split by place value. So you would get 40 and 8, and you would get 20 and 9, and then you would combine by place value. So you would get 60, and then you would combine by place value, you get 17, and you'd add those two numbers together, and then you would get your 77. So that's kind of like a common strategy, and she calls that split, I think she calls that split. And the fifth strategy is she calls give and take, or sometimes she calls it compensation. She varies how she refers to it. So this is just a basic, you can't see, this is just a basic transformation of numbers. You are going to make it friendlier by doing something to each number to make it friendlier, right? So I'm going to go up by 1 and make this 30, which means I'm going to take from here, from the 48. So again, I have 47 plus 30, and that transformation resulted in 77. I don't know, compensation, transformation, everybody calls it something different. Some people only call it compensation when you take from the end, so they call it transformation. I think Math Recovery calls it transformation, but there you go. In the next video, I'm going to go over the problem strings, how she does them. But those are her 5 main addition strategies. Thank you.